And so I fully appreciate the fact that she brought awareness. The speech was lovely. A lot of what she would have said in her in her presentation is what I have. So the Resilient Blueprint 2025 to 2040, the policy document that I wrote, that I submitted to the Office of the Prime Minister, I submitted to the Planning Institute of Jamaica, I submitted it to Ambassador Audrey Marks. A lot of what Miss Burchell had in her presentation, I have too. And so it was like she was preaching gospel, because I was just taken aback and in awe. And I'm saying to myself, why is the government not taking advantage of this? Lisa Hanna has been saying this for years. She talked to black and blue in a parliament. This is not something new. So why is it that the government is moving with a sense of, what is the word? I don't want to say lazy, but they're moving rather slow. They're moving extremely slow. You understand? So we have a problem there. That's another challenge that we need to really address, because the government of Jamaica, if we really want Jamaica to be a sovereign nation, if we really want Jamaica to be able to withstand any hurricane, because when you invest into the digital economy, and not just and brand Jamaica, this is something that is intangible, that no storm can affect. We see what would have happened with Hurricane Melissa, and the impact that it would have had on the tourism industry, because these are physical infrastructure. The hotels, the buildings are physical infrastructure that would have been damaged, and so they cannot accommodate anybody because they're spending money now on repairing the hotels. You understand? Because of all of that, they were affected. Whereas when you invest in the digital economy, and as long as you have internet, you have your laptop, you have your cell phone, you have your tablet, the digital economy will always be around, which is a multi-billion-dollar economy, which is going to become a trillion-dollar economy soon. And so everything that Miss Burchell was saying was gospel to my ears. If you want to watch the rest of this video, subscribe to JATalks on YouTube and get the full video.